Shadim Shri. Friday, March 21st, 2025. All right, let's take a look at the cybersecurity sector. I might add a new play into this. So let's start with FTNT. I think it's time to redo the fib chart. Just redo. Let's see. There we go. All right. Based on this and what's going on right now, sitting on the 100 MA, I would say that Reflow, where this bounced twice around the 38.2 fib, could be the spot to enter if you want to get in. Not me. My rule right now in this potential larger correction than what we have so far is the 200 MA. Okay. Whatever you want to buy, if the 200 MA is below it, wait. CrowdStrike. Nice bounce, right? Nice bounce. But it's up right now. I would say if you have it, look to trim. I say the 50 is as good as any. And then if you want to even be greedier at the 395 400 level, yeah. And then if you want to be even super greedy, to the 52-week high. Palo Alto, it's trim time for sure. The 200 MA has been the spot, right? Look, you get a week, 2 days, 3 days, a week. I would be chasing it here, but if I have it, I would be trimming into 190 and above. No doubt about that. Okay, it might not even get there. At the least, raise your stop to low of day. Wednesday might not be a bad idea because this thing can move fast. Okay, now if I was to buy, I would probably buy at Reflow right here. What I'm gonna do, I do like Palo Alto a lot, so I'm gonna put in like an alert at 172.5 or so. Because if that trigger, that means that it have violate the 200 MA again, and at Reflow, for sure, put spread below in the 165 area and below, and might even pick up a few share. What I done so far? ZS. Zscaler, I wouldn't be chasing anything here, right? It's not the spot. In fact, let's do a fib. Let's throw on a fib. Okay. Yeah, it's 200 NA. 200 MA might be worth it for sure. Reflow, but yeah, it's a lot of these in this sector right now. So far, based on all the chart that I see, is nothing is compelling to buy. I'm leaning more toward trimming and selling, but it's nothing really all that exciting to look at. OKTA for sure. If you have it, congratulations. It's time to go. There is no if or buts about it, right? It's time to go. What a breakout. Wow. Okay, first of all, you get the breakout of the channel, and then come back, and then boom, earning. Wowza. That was impressive. Impressive, right? Nothing more to say there. So did I cover snow? If I didn't, here it is, 200 MA. Okay, that would be the spot. Ideally, what I'm gonna do is set up an alert right here. So that means that it violates ref low. For those that are new, ref low is reference low. The low point that is most recent could be last week, last month, a few months ago. That's what I say, ref low or ref high. Okay, so ref low, if ref low is violated, that means that the 200 is very near and potentially gap fill is in play. Right, so that's, as always, I like to buy at gap fill. Now here's one company that I will add to the list going forward that I have not looked at ever. Sentinel. I looked at this a couple of weeks back, maybe 2 weeks back. I forgot to mention it when I ran the sector, but there's a channel, and it bounced off the channel nicely. So I would like to buy the dip. Out of all of the cybersecurity play, this is the small one. Okay, this company just started to make profit last year. It has, I think, it finally got to a point where it's going to get close to $1 billion in revenue per run rate. So it's small. You know, you talk. All the other companies have 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 billions in revenue. This one is going to start to cross that 1 billion, I believe, in 2025. So it's the smallest one. It started to make profit, so it's turning. I like it. Okay, but I was watching it 2 weeks ago to see if this is the channel, and it is, because it bounced off it during the next few days. Would I buy it now? No, but I'm watching it. All right, I got the alert right here. So if it come down to the alert at 18.78 down to 17-ish, yeah, I would like to buy. Okay, so if you go back, see, here's a 3-year chart. Losing money, look at that. Last little boom, break even, barely making money, break even, making money, right? So it's slowly getting to that, right? So if you want to draw a chart, you can, a trend line, you can. I'm gonna do it right now. Not that it means anything, but leave it there. And there's an area of consolidation in this area right here, right? So it's lining up. So can it come down into the 16? It's possible, but for now I'm watching it. Okay, it is one out of everything that I showed today that I liked and wouldn't mind starting a position if it drift lower is Sentinel 1. All right.